Hello? Oh, it fixed. How did that fix it? Bap. Okay, so apparently my computer just forgot what device is the mic. Now it seems overly sensitive. Okay, that's great. Okay, well, let's try all of that intro stuff again. Yeah. Damn it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to me programming. Woohoo. And today I have a little checklist of things. Bloody hell, my chair's all fricked up. I have a checklist of things I'd like to achieve with my game. Got to make it so you can interact with objects in the world, so you can talk to people, open boxes, etc., etc. And then you've got to make it so you can attack things, which does have to work slightly differently in a couple ways. Although it does use a lot of the same checks, but slightly different stuff, okay? And then anything else. Oh yeah, I've got to make it so the player has a working inventory system. That might end up having to be tomorrow. Also, one of the docs has disappeared from my OBS, and it's really fucking bugging me because I can't remember what it was. So how is everyone? We all good today? Yeah, sorry about the whole, nearly 10 minutes of nothing. I don't know why my mic wasn't working. But yeah, we begin stuff now. So it's been a few days since I streamed. I don't know why I'm vamping. Actually, I'm just going to say in Discord, stream actually starting now. My mic is working. There we go. Okay, so checklist. It's on my phone. Might make it difficult to read chat sometimes. I'm not going to have my face up here because it's kind of warm. So badoop, badoop, badoop. Just putting the goodbye scene up for later. There we go. I can breathe. So if we just there it is, my game. We just get the latest saved version of it. Let's see. Aha, here is an entity. We have a little interaction suggestion pop up, which you can press, but it does nothing. God, that's loud. What's going up? Ooh, okay, nice. It's nothing that's going to cause me unmeasurable amounts of stress. Doesn't look like it. Okay, we are chill. So, what is the first order of business for getting these interactions? I believe it's something here. So, this checks if there's something in front of you, and if there is, hold on. Yes, I understand. So, if there's something in front of you, and is that checking if... fuck, I forgot how some things work. Not that. In here. So, no, that's controls. Aha, here. Okay, that doesn't actually check if you're pressing the button. Okay, so if you're pressing the button, can I do an ara ara? Was that good enough? Also, hi, welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? Ah, fuck, I've lost my tabs now. There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, welcome. Today I'm trying to figure out how to get the things in my world of my game to feel like they're actually things. Because currently this isn't a thing, it just kind of stands there. And Jesus Christ, my mouse is oversensitive. Do I have a sensitivity buffer? Player.controls. And then 0.5. Where's the... Why is that up and down and left and right programmed differently for looking around? Who designed this? Well, it was me, but why do I do annoying, stupid things? Ah, that's much nicer. Pfft, sorry. No, I'm getting distracted, and I acknowledge that. Because I'm pretty sure there's something that will phase through this wall here at some point, and I want to see it happen. Yep, there it is. Why does that happen? I'm just going to make the player taller so I can see over this wall and see why it does that. Set up player 175. Let's make you 10 times taller. Fear me, mortals. So the thing's out there and it just straight up phases through the walls? That does not seem right. Oh, and it broke. Why did it break? Because there's a misspelt variable. Woohoo. And let's stop the player from being an absolute unit. Game. Is it? Of course it's camel. Everything's a camel. That makes no sense. Okay. Concentrating mode, Baguette. Why am I out of breath already? Okay, let's go. Game state needs to equal interact check variable 1 dot interactable. Oh, hold on, we also need to check and key is down. Okay, key is down, and I believe it's key 69 for the E button. And we're no longer giant, hell yeah. And it's broken because there's nothing to account for this in the game state. Switch case. Now we just copy some things into a new case. So case, the first one we will do is dialogue, because to account for the ability to make it, to account for the illusion of choice, dialogue has to have some strange little things that I'm going to have to program in. Yes, it's only an illusion of choice because I can't be bothered to write actual dialogue trees. It's just going to be inspired by the very basic system of the game I've been playing recently, Narnia on the DS, which has allowed me to find actually a simple way of writing dialogue. Okay, there we go. Now, when you're in dialogue, it disables all the nearby AIs. That's good. And it continues rendering things, which is also good. Then we need some logical things, so we need a chat. Oh shoot! I deleted the pop-up window. Okay, let's just go rec. Oh no, hold on. Let's write a. Let's just pass this off to a dialogue UI function. How do I spell dialogue? Is that right? That seems right. What was it? Dialogue UI interact check variable 1. There's actually a list containing a boolean and an entity, which will be the entity that is interacted with. So dialogue UI. Now let's write that. Oh, it's function. New one of those. We love functions. If I can spell things properly. Interact. Let's just go. What's the word for a person who you're talking with? That's great. Let's just stick with entity. I mean, I could use like this. Okay, so push. I think yes, push makes sense. Tab in, and we want no stroke. We want a fill of, I don't know, dark grey probably. 25, 25, 25. Oh, and an opacity about halfway. Then a rectangle at 0 in the middle, but like filling up most of the screen horizontally and vertically. Ah, for God's sake, I forgot what it's called. Okay, we can collapse that. Where is it? It is entity here in the use data. Okay, entity.use data. Wait, no, hold on. Text data 0 0 0. Now let's test this. Where's it gone? We've missed a break clause, I think. There needs to be one at the end of this, probably. Hold on a second. She is back. I mean me. Me is back. I is back. I know how to use pronouns. Alright then, why did it just... Oh, that's not right. Oh, hold on, I know what the problem is. I accidentally, when copying that, deleted it from up here, so it just wasn't drawing the entities in the regular game. There we go. Now, you. Good. Interact. It does nothing. But hey, at least it... Oh, I should probably add a breakpoint to lock. Here. Exit pointer lock. So that way you can move your mouse around to choose dialogue options. Okay, entity.use data. Oh, hold on, there's no pop, so it breaks things. Oh, great. This is something that'll get me angry, because I'm not listening to that for 15 bloody minutes. Okay, back to the code. Wait, no, that should have been all. Refresh that. Okay, good, you're still here. Why is it not doing anything? Dialogue UI? Did I spell that the same? Dialogue UI. Hold on, let's just do a quick thing in here. Okay, good, it is working. Is it grumpy about me using transparency? Oh, no, hold on, I know the problem. It's... I'm not switching camera. How do I do that? Set cam, okay. Can't believe I forgot that. You. Nope, it's still not working. Is that exactly the same, really? There it is, okay. Right, that is a very small text. No, it's text size. Oh, camel case. Text size, 50, I guess. Talk to me. Beginning dialogue. That's good. Actually, we should make this not like that. I think there should be a box on the left with what the thing you're talking to says, and then another box on the right with your dialogue options. Then you click one and it puts a new thing in the box on the left. I think that works. I just need to figure out what half the screen is. It's, I think, 1024 wide, so it's 512 divided by 2, 250. The box at -256 on the x-axis. Yes, of course, on the x-axis. And it needs to be, let's split the width in half too. And oh, just to make sure it's working, let's make another one at the other side. There we go. Why has the text disappeared? That alpha should be at 255. Actually, it doesn't even need to be there. I don't know why I put it there. Save that. Refresh. There we go. Okay, boom. Wait, hold on. I just need to get up the reference. Text. I feel like there's more. Yes, there are more parameters. The width of the text box. Okay, yeah, we need to define those as 400 and 400. Beginning dialogue. Yes, clips it to stay in the box. Cool. Okay. First very minor thing complete. Stopping to have a drink. Sorry. So, just now and somehow never before, I am realizing that these programming streams, it's just a constant stream of nonsensical stuff most of the time. What I'm saying, isn't it? Like I just say what I'm doing and that's pretty much it, and I'm realizing that's probably not exactly the best content. And computer, shut up, you're not doing, stop humming. Well, my fans are making a worrying noise. But you know, all that rambling is why I need people here to distract me from the rambling, so I can talk about, I can say something meaningful. Maybe just streaming is a bad idea. Also, I'm just going to make a quick tweak to the. Oh, pardon me. A tweak to a little bit of syntax or something. You need a blank thing here to just like never seen dialogue line. Oh, and then the entity's beginning speech. Oh, two things there. And then for the final one we also need a similar thing. Doo doo doo. So here we have pairs of player choice and entity response. And then what will be displayed is this one here, and then you'll have these options, and depending on which one you click, one of the ones in the paired list on this same line will be presented to you next, along with this response here. So we are going to have when this begins, it's going to... No, hold on, that doesn't make sense. Yes, it's going to set a variable. No. It can be set here. Let dialogue, not talk depth. It's going to measure how far you are down the. It's going to measure what row you're on of this dialogue here. Let talk depth equal 0 when you're starting a conversation, and then we want here entity.useData 0. No, we want we want talk depth. There we go. Talk depth 1 in that box. That's a slk. Then we need if. No. Yes, for let I of entity dot use data talk depth +1 and syntax error. This is a syntax error. Talk depth 1. This +1 0. It doesn't need to be the 0 because it's just. Wait, no, yes it does. Talk depth. Why is this so hard to write? Talk depth +1 0. I will draw it at say text talk depth 0 I and +256. Considering the box is 400 tall, let's say max will probably be 4 options at any one time, so it's 100. Wait, no, we need to change how the I works. Let's just make this a classic counting I. Let I equal 0. I've forgotten how it works. I is less than that dot length, and this needs to be a semicolon. Sorry, I've just caused myself accidental pain, like a stupid person. So use data. And I++, it will okay, this should display talk depth is not defined. What do you mean? Is it because I defined it at the wrong scope? I defined it at the wrong scope. Okay. I hate this language sometimes. That's not what it was called. It's called talk depth. There we go. Why is that never seen? Because it's the wrong bloody thing. That also explains the null type error we just got over there, or warning, player response 1, player response 2. That's not right. No, it makes sense. It's I times I minus 2, I think. And maybe text size 50 is bad. Let's just see, is 25 readable? Almost. Actually, no, that is perfect. $256. What am I looking for? We've got to shift this down just a tiny bit by maybe not counting the pixels. Don't count the pixels, Gwen, that's stupid. Plus maybe 10. Oh, that's backwards. That's good, okay. Now, do we have the buttons set up already, right? I think I've made that. Do I have I do have a menu button. Okay, cool. Okay, these are just going to have a... It's going to be in the universal button switch. That is a very strange way of describing this, but that's basically what it is. It's every possible thing that a button in this game could do when pressed in a switch statement. Currently, there's only the button on the main menu which unpauses the game, but now we're adding a new one to advanced dialogue. And all it does is add 1 to talk depth. There we go. Oh, we also need a memory of which option the player picked, otherwise it will just display the wrong thing. Let talk option, and this one will be set to 0 here. which, hold on, I just need to check something in setup. Also, we are going to make a little thing here that's just going to create a list of actual buttons to put behind the text on this side here. So, write a little loop. Let React buttons equal bam. Yes, that means it's going to recreate it every frame. I know that's inefficient, but I don't care right now. Dot push a new button. That fuck's sake! New menu button. Of course, it's called a menu. Oh yeah, because they're buttons in menus. Okay, so X, Y, width, and height. Okay, I can. That's fairly easy. Hang on, is func just text? Func is just text. That makes this fairly easy to manage. So, new menu button. X will be 256. Y will be that. And width is, what's its width? 400. Height of 100. Function of forget what it's called. Advanced talk. Advanced talk. There we go. Okay. There needs to be 4 different advanced talk buttons, so it will be able to correctly recall, so it will be able to correctly remember in the future what your talk option was. Sprite sheet. Do I have a blank sprite sheet? That'd be real useful. Do I even have a... Wait, do they even display the... Fill this .sprite sheet. Wait, no, sprite sheets are not sprite sheets at the moment, apparently, for that. They are still... Wait, where's the main menu? Main menu buts. It's currently just a... It's just 2 colours, because I never... I'm also just going to make transparent colours as well. Wait, no, those are redundant. We can just not use red. Okay, let's change it. Let's just say this one's going to be purple and green. Then SW. Oh, sprite width. 0, 0, I guess, because that's redundant for now. It's going to come back to bite me later once I have to do actual texturing. But who cares? My mic's still working. Good, my mic's still working. Would be real embarrassing if it stopped. God, new viewer interactions are the strangest thing ever. Like, you know, this was one of the tamer ones today, so I don't really mind. Oh, hold on, we've missed a step here. We need to define these things separately. I'm not tabbing those in enough. Why wasn't that working? And that's enough anyway, so we don't need to worry. So this one should be 0 there. That one's good at 1. Next, once this works, I will just need... And the buttons aren't being drawn. Okay, hold on. Wait, we don't even need to render them, do we? But we do need to check if they're being clicked. How do we do that? Check hovered. How do we... hold on, menu UI. Get rid of that. Well, hang on, is it part of the rendering to check if they're being hovered? It is, isn't it? Yes, but hold on. How does it work on the main menu? Because that doesn't make sense. I.execute func. Does it check in there? It does, okay, that... Ah, my own genius. Back to bite me. Okay, now just change that. That is React buttons. So, walk over to this guy. There should be some invisible buttons behind this. Maybe we should be rendering them. Oh, they're just in the wrong places. Okay, good to know. Because the X is the fucking far left of it, I believe. Hold on. Just to check. Well, previous ones. Menu buttons, -5. Yeah, it is. Okay. What's 128? That's simple enough that even I can work it out in my head. 128, there we go. No? Oh, no, hold on, it's 256 minus 200. Apparently I can't do that in my head. Yes, and there's only 2 responses currently, so only 2 buttons. And then it overflows into the last thing. there's also an issue where if you hold it down, it scrolls through the entire thing. So we need to add a sort of cooldown, or just wait for you to raise your mouse again. Because we also have it working so that happens. If you slide your mouse onto a button, it will just automatically trigger. We want it to trigger when you click your mouse. And what's the current check? Is it mouse is moved? No, mouse is pushed, clicked? I don't remember what it's called. Mouse is pressed. Okay, hold on. If mouse is pressed, okay. Yeah, that's the problem. Mouse pressed is like a completely different thing. How do I? Oh, I know. We just check if it was down the previous frame. Let's just say let mouse was pressed. Okay, so oh shoot, that's just outside of the bloody everything. Equals hang on, how do I don't know how to check if not something and not mouse was pressed. Hold on, it's not. Is that the correct usage of not? Oh. Also, we just want to set mouse was pressed to 0 to false here. Not is not defined, okay. Okay, I understand it now. And mouse was pressed. No, wait, hold on. And exclamation mark mouse is pressed. Oh, mouse was. Okay, blah. You again. NPC reaction 1, player response, NPC text line, player final line, and we need to add an override clause so that when this is clicked, it will push you back to the regular game. But that works. Actually, we just need to test. If I click the second button, it should show different dialogue. NPC reaction 2, yes. Play a final line, but there's no way of crashing back to the main... Well, there's a way of crashing, but it doesn't send you back to the main game, which is the problem. I'm glad I've got this to work. But as usual, because I ran out of breath so quick with these streams, I'm going to have to take a short break. So bloop back to that. Mute me. Love yous. Okay, I'm not sure exactly how long I was gone, but I am back now. Now we are going to just make that little override so that it doesn't crash when you finish dialogue. And I feel like this viewer who asked me to say ara is definitely gone now. I regret saying it a second time. Still not sure what widget is missing from down here, and it's really bugging me. After this stream's finished, I'm just going to go check whatever my last would have been my last programming stream. Yeah, got to check that to see what was there. Maybe there wasn't anything there. Yeah, there's a chance there hasn't been anything there for a long time. So now here we just go if text. Oh, we need brackets. Equals entity dot use data dot length. Yes, that makes sense. Just what's it called? Game state equals game. Ugh, learn how to spell. Oh, that's not it. Where is there? Text depth. Nope, it's talk depth. Step 2. Remember your own variable names. Also, we can hide those horrible purple blots. Well, I commented that, then deleted it. Just a little old regular me inefficiency. On player response, NPC text line, player final line. I mean, you can't read undefined. Oh wait, no, that's crashing. Hold on. It's oh, hold on. -1. I'm an idiot. Because the last item is the length -1th item. No, it's not. What? -2? Oh, hold on. Maybe we just add an extra break here. To break the function. Syntax error, illegal break. No, okay, you can't. Oh, hold on. We just have a blank. We just have a return that doesn't go to anything. Because it's still forced, even after this, it has to force through the rest of this first. So the text is still trying to display, but then it can't, so it crashes before it can exit the dialog. There we go. And it needs to request a pointer log too. Will it accept it here? There's a good chance it won't. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Why is nothing rendering? And that's all that hold on. That's all that the begin game function does too, right? Game state equals game. Okay, yeah. But why does this not bloody work? So hold on this. Oh, it worked, okay. That's actually pretty smooth. Hold on, just pause yourself. Just freeze reality for a second while I have a conversation with this thing that's facing the other way. Why does that one... Oh yeah, of course, it's the weird thing with transparency on those. Did the two just merge into one? That is also an issue. Okay, well that was the first order of business for today. What is the second? Actually, somehow it's already been an hour. God damn it. Now get that idea out of your stupid head, Baguette. But it would be easy to end the stream now, you know, there's no way there's enough time to make anything else. But it would be such a meaningless stream if you did that. Yeah, but you're... Okay, I'm talking to myself. I'm talking literally at myself now. This stream is ending. Thank you everyone for being here. Sorry it went the way that these streams always go, and I will see you all next time, hopefully. Goodbye, I love you all. Whatever. Oh yeah, follow if you haven't already, subscribe if you're watching this on the VOD channel for some reason. Join the Discord for community updates and stuff. And I will see you all next time, hopefully. I already said that bit. Bye! Yeah, this is rushed. I hate... God, this was horrible.